Okay, hello, YouTube. It's I think great thing on YouTube. So it's a AI chatbot, and I'm going to ask. Here's the lesser known but highly useful tip for AI IT professionals. For example, I will write and ask, where is the function of LD preload to override shared libraries in Linux. So here's the thing, he's going now given us the function of preload. Everything is available in here. LD reloaded is environment variable in the Linux that allows you to specify one or more shared libraries to be loaded before others when a program is executed. This feature is primarily used to override functions in shared libraries, which can be particularly useful for debugging, profiling, modifying the behavior of existing programs without altering their source code. So how to um, LD preload works. Preloading libraries: when you set up the LD preload environment variable, you specify the path to the shared libraries you want to preload. The dynamic linker id.so checks this variable before loading any other shared libraries. So you can ask chatbot on the internet available website here, www.aichatin.net, and you can ask anything about your studies, IT information, and debugging skills and problems. You will write in here. Okay, symbol resolutions, also using scenarios, profiling functions, interceptions. Example is given in here. Suppose you have a custom library mylib.so that contains an override version of the print function. You would run your program like this: bash, and this one. In this example, why my programs calls printf, the version with mylib.so will be executed instead of default one of the standard C library. Okay, more information into important consideration: compatibility, security risks, system impacts. All information is given in here. You can check and also explore where is the function of LD preloader into debugging skills. So I think this is the many AI agents and IT professional struggles with conflicting shared libraries, especially when dealing with CUDA, TensorFlow, PyTorch versions. Okay, so instead of modifying systems path or uninstalling dependencies, you can force load a specific library without modifying global setting using. Okay, so so why is this is more useful? I think okay, I will tell you more information here. Why is this function more important? Due to it prevents the conflicts between different CUDA and library versions, and it also allows testing different versions without breaking the system. So works without modifying .bash rc or system-wide configuration. So this is the thing that most AI professionals rely on: virtual env or conda. But this method provides instant compatibility without touching the environment. Okay, you can also explore more information regarding this LD preload later into any um, uh, chat bot you will get. So thank you very much. Okay, greatness.